Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Olympiad features and benefits, especially about the Indian Talent Olympiad and other things related to Indian Talent Olympiad. So first of all, talking about the Olympiad features and benefits, Indian Talent Olympiad highlights not only the services provided to the schools but also the awards to the principal, headmaster or headmistress. The in-charge teacher and schools are featured. Also, additional Olympiad benefits are added for the students. Talking about some of the other benefits related to this, online school login. Every participating school and student get an online login facility. This will enable students and teachers to download result. Message alert system. Every registered school will receive timely SMS alert on their registered mobile number for key events. Golden School Award. Golden School Award will be given to the top 100 best performing schools from each state. Inspiring Teacher Award. In-charge teachers representing top performing schools will be honored with the Inspiring Teacher Award. Please note, teachers who are registering as in-charge teacher for multiple subjects or every subject will be awarded a single award, whichever is of the highest regard. Motivating Headmaster or Principal Award. Headmaster or principal of a top performing school at Indian Talent exams gets Motivating Headmaster or Principal Award. Please note that headmaster or principals who are registering as in-charge teacher as well for specific subjects will be awarded a single award of the highest regard. Additional features and benefits. Exam fees exception in respective subjects for students who received scholarships in the last 4 years. Students appearing for any 3 exams get free registration for the 4th exam of their choice. To apply for this, link is given in the description area. Number of Olympiad scholarship award prizes are entitled to the students based on their rank. Cash prize of ₹1 lakh is allotted to first 8 students achieving first rank at national level. 10 students obtaining second rank at national level are honored with the cash prize of ₹40,000. Prizes like laptops and tablets are given to the one earning third and fourth rank, respectively. There are state level scholarships and excellence medal awards allotted to the students who fit in the criteria of the respective awards. Now talking about how to prepare for Olympiad exam. Students prepare for various competitive exams all around the year. One such prestigious exams are the Olympiads. These are conducted at national and international levels. The Olympiad exams are conducted at the school level for all classes from 1st to 10th. The motive behind the Olympiads are to assess students' capabilities and make them master concepts that are taught in the class. Students can select subjects as per their choice. It is one of the best exams to identify weaknesses and work upon them. If you are still wondering how to prepare for Olympiads, although the Olympiad syllabus is as prescribed by the board exam, questions asked here are little different. Therefore, you need to have a plan for preparing for these exams. Point to be noted: to participate in monthly Olympiads. Monthly Olympiads is one of the best way to practice for annual Olympiad exam. Indian Talent Olympiad conducts monthly Olympiads that are similar to mock test or demo test that are conducted every month for science, maths, English, GK, drawing and essay. These tests are conducted online every 4th Saturday. Students can participate using any tablet or smartphone and practice the whole year for the annual Olympiad. The monthly Olympiads are conducted on chapter-wise questions that make it easy for students to prepare different chapters. Online monthly tests have proved to be very helpful to all Olympiad participants. Some other important points are: start as early as possible. First of all, get to know the syllabus of your class. Plan each day and work upon yourself and try to manage time for different subjects. And if you want to prepare well, refer to any Olympiad workbooks and try to solve practice sample papers. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in another video.